What's up, you guys? Welcome to the video. If you're new here, my name's Josh. Thank you for watching another video. Today, we got an exciting one. Super exciting. We got a nail in the tire, so let's fix it. Alright, so here it is. You gotta love a solid nail in your tire. It is what it is. It's the way it goes sometimes. It's probably some highway driving. So I've noticed I've had a slow leak for some time now. I've been monitoring this for a few weeks now, so it wasn't too crazy. I gave myself some time to get this kit together. We got these puncture pieces, and then we got whatever this gooky stuff is. So yeah, let's get going. Let's get this nail out. I feel like this is the part where you would think it's going to be easy, and probably isn't going to be easy getting this nail out, but let's see how it goes. Alright, take one, trying to get this nail out. Let's see how this goes. There you have it. There's the culprit. It's pretty solid, actually. Alright, so as we're gonna make this hole a little bit bigger so we can patch, I'm not gonna lie, I honestly thought that was gonna be way more challenging than what it was. I've had to do this before, and getting the nail out ended up being the most difficult part. The irony of that. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so side note, feels like I've been monitoring this for weeks. It's been some time. It's one of those things that I knew I had to take care of, but I really didn't have the motivation to get these wheels off and do all this. It's not really that big a deal, but it actually went a lot smoother than I thought it was. Last time I did this, the nail was just not coming out, so this time it came out super simple. So that was, it's one of those things that made it a lot easier, because I feel like when you think something's going to be easy, it never ends up being easy, and then somehow the things that you expect to be hard somehow end up being super easy. So I'm glad the nail came out pretty smooth this time. But yeah, like I said, I've been monitoring this for a while now. I don't know, it's probably been a few months actually, but I've had this little sensor that I don't have the TPM sensors in these tires. They're in the OEM tires, so I have to get out literally not every day, but every 2 or 3 days. I've been putting air in it with a small air compressor that I just leave in my trunk, so that thing has been coming up clutch. As well as I have this little monitor that I just keep right in my the glove box in my car. This thing has come up super clutch whenever I need to know the pressure. Bada bing, bada boom. As per usual, links in the description. So yeah, funny story. Last time I did this, used this puncture piece, make this hole a little bigger, go ahead and patch the tire up. I ended up finding a second nail in the tire the last time I did this. So that was super fun, but Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and apply some rubber ceramic We got this piece all ready to go. It's our patch. I'm gonna stick it on in there. Alright, there you have it. It's looking kind of gross. I'm going to let this dry up for a little bit. And I'm going to cut away all that excess gook. And yeah, no more slow leak. So yeah, like I said, this is just a temporary fix. But it gets the job done for right now. Alright guys, so there you have it. Simple tire repair, simple solution. As per usual, I have links down in the description if this is something you need. Hopefully you found some value in this video. If you did, give me that nice thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to your boy. Just like that, this video is over. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.